If you're looking for the best Vitamix alternative to buy, then this video is for you. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a bit of a Vitamix fangirl because I own 3 different models. However, I won't deny that there are some excellent Vitamix blender alternatives that offer similar durability, power, and results, and in most cases without the same expense. If you want to check the prices for each of the best Vitamix alternatives, then make sure to click the links at the top of the description box below. Now, let's see which blenders made the cut. Consider the Cuisinart Velocity Blender if you're after an all-round kitchen companion that's adept at everything from smoothies to crushed ice without spending a premium. A blender serves as a cornerstone in any kitchen, and the Cuisinart Velocity makes its mark by hitting a sweet spot of functionality and price. The comfort grip handle and the 56-ounce Triton plastic jar make it a breeze to whip up large batches of your favorite smoothies or drinks. Also, the touchpad controls bring a modern ease of use, and the LED indicators add a sleek, readable interface at just a glance. Your kitchen habits dictate which Vitamix alternative suits you best. And with that in mind, the Cuisinart Velocity isn't a mere imitator. It stands on its own with its impressive ease of operation. The low and high speeds cater to most standard blending tasks, while the ice crush and smoothie buttons take away the guesswork for those particular tasks. Cleaning up is equally straightforward. No need for concern about lingering smells or stains. When you weigh the pros and cons, you'll see this blender as a solid candidate. Sure, it may not carry a feature list as long as your grocery receipt, but it doesn't have to. It does exactly what it says on the tin and does it well. For daily use, this could be the ideal workhorse that keeps up without the high-end price tag of some competitors. Checking in at number 4 is the popular BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush blender, which is a good, cheap alternative to Vitamix for those wanting to blend on a budget. The BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush blender's robust Quad Pro blade technology is designed to create a powerful vortex for fast and effective blending, ideal for your smoothies or purees. Its simplicity comes to the fore with an intuitive 4-speed control button setup, giving you enough flexibility to conquer a wide spectrum of blending tasks. Also, daily usage is eased by the convenience of dishwasher-safe parts, making the cleanup process as smooth as your ideal smoothie should be. Some consider the weight of the thick, sturdy glass jar a deal breaker due to its heft when pouring or cleaning. Despite that, many appreciate its durable feel, a refreshing contrast to blenders with flimsy plastic jars. That glass jar adds a touch of class and timelessness to your kitchen aesthetics as well. All in all, while it may not rival the high-power blenders that dominate the market, the PowerCrush stands out for its combination of efficiency and economy. Bearing in mind its limitations with tougher blends and the bit of extra muscle you might need to handle it, this blender offers a commendable balance of functionality and budget friendliness, which might be precisely what you're searching for in a Vitamix alternative. Up next is the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher blender, which earns the 3rd spot on my Vitamix substitute list thanks to its solid all-around performance. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly blender that packs a punch, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher is a worthy contender for your kitchen arsenal. When you desire smoothies or shakes without breaking the bank, think Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher. Its 700 watts of peak power and ice saber blades promise to tackle icy drinks with ease. Just imagine whipping up your favorite frozen concoction without any unwanted chunks, thanks to the smooth consistency delivered by the patented wave action system. But consider the noise. Blending your morning smoothie might clash with a peaceful start to the day, as this machine can get loud. But then again, so does Vitamix. So it's not like this Hamilton Beach is any noisier than your average blender. Also, cleanup is a breeze. After you've sipped your last drop, simply disassemble the parts and pop them in the dishwasher. No scrubbing, no fuss. And that robust glass jar won't absorb flavors or odors either. Plus, it adds a hint of elegance to your countertop. Its weight, however, might be a bit much if you're after something lightweight. Remember, every kitchen has different needs, But for a solid blend without the luxury price, your search for a Vitamix replacement might just end with the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher. The second best Vitamix alternative on my list is the Ninja 1000 watt blender. If you're in the market for a robust blender without the Vitamix price tag, the Ninja BL610 might just be your match. Its powerful 1000-watt motor crushes ice with ease, ensuring your smoothies and frozen drinks have that perfect consistency. Also, the generous 72-ounce pitcher size, which is more than most Vitamix models, means you can prepare large quantities in one go, a real time saver for parties or meal prep. But every kitchen hero has its Achilles heel. The Ninja BL610 isn't the quietest on the market. Its vigorous operation lets you know it's working hard. Also, due to its substantial size, it could command more counter space than more compact Vitamix alternatives. But you'll be glad to know that the Ninja promises a straightforward affair when it comes to cleanup. With dishwasher-friendly components, you won't be stuck scrubbing after every use. If a simple, solid, and sizable blender is on your wish list, the Ninja blender is a strong contender. So, what is the best Vitamix alternative on the market? Well, it depends on what you want from a blender. But for me, the Blendtec Total Classic Original is where it's at. When you opt for a blender like the Blendtec Total Classic Original, you're not only investing in a kitchen appliance, you're also embracing a culinary lifestyle of convenience and quality. Its pre-programmed settings are designed to tackle a variety of tasks from smoothies to soups, meaning less guesswork for you. While the blender manifests robustness with its powerful motor, keep in mind that it can be a little noisy during operation, yet this is a common trait among many high-power blenders, and the noise level is often a trade-off for efficiency. When you contemplate the simplicity of cleaning this device, just a drop of dish soap and some hot water, and you're done. Your post-smoothie routine becomes a breeze. Also, consider the convenience of the large 75-ounce jar when you're making drinks or meals for multiple people. It's a blender that can keep up with the demands of a busy household, that's for sure. In essence, the Blendtec Total Classic Original, while not exactly cheap, stands as a powerful ally in the kitchen for anyone seeking efficiency and versatility without splurging on a super high-end Vitamix. With its ease of use and simplified cleaning process, it is indeed a compelling option to consider. So, those are the best Vitamix alternatives on the market today. You can't go wrong with any of these Vitamix blender alternatives, but depending on your budget and preferences, you'll probably have a couple of standout picks for your favorite product. Let me know in the comments which Vitamix alternative is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and have fun with your new blender.